Okay, in a Linux there is a concept called package management. Okay, so management. First understand the package management. So if you want to install any application, so different way of installation in a Linux is there. In a Windows we have a one or two setups. One is like a .exe. Double click on the .exe, it is extract into the temporary folder, and its installation script is there. The based on installation script, it will install automatically. MSI packages .exe, MSI packages only mainly two packages are there. But in a Linux, different packages are RPM. Main package is RPM type of package. Okay, so Linux, you want to install some application, so the application is in a .rpm packages are there. May I have any RPM package? I have to search for that one. So usually, like in my download, it will be there, but I remove lot of things from my download. Still is there, then we'll see. Again, why my personal PC is giving shit. Alt F4. Okay. Am I started recording or not? Yeah, we have started recording. Why it is here? Okay. Mm, I have try. I will try. I have try. Two phone. Yeah. So this is almost our Linux kind of stuff. This is a package type. Tar and GZ. Tar GZ. Okay. Zip means Windows related tar kind of stuff. See, this is the RPM package. This is RPM package. I downloaded in Windows, right? So I want to, if I want to install this one, so I have to run the command according to this. This is the .rpm package. So this is a tz package. You can see this is tar gz, means it's a compressed format. So if you open in here, so maybe you can see this is a folder, and here you can't see any .exe or any other things. There may be a script file is there, you have to run that script, like a installation script or a procedures are there to install it. So we cannot install directly certain packages. Okay, so but major the main package type is in a way of data. Some have a script files, means some package is there inside a package that sh files are there, you have to run the sh file, or directly some script files are there, install package, make install, make install kind of stuff, install packages. Just you have to run that script, you can do it. But in a package wise, it's a mainly important is data rpm. Now, okay, main important is rpm package only. rpm package manager. Okay, so rpm package is Red Hat open source manage, something is there. What is in rpm? Okay, so different commands also available. It is showing so many things. Okay, so if you want to install, .rpm package, so then there is a command called rpm hyphen I means install, um, vh, I is enough, v means verbose, means what is going on in installation, verbose, h means any hashing, support like your download hashing algorithms are there. Okay, so then, so what is the package name, like a so what is your package.rpm, so whatever it is. In the packages also different packages we have to verify. So one is bit is there. And next, version. Which version? um, OS related versions are there. OS related, hardware related OS version, sometimes hardware OS hardware related versions also we can see. Application version is there. Application version is next. It is important. 32-bit, 64-bit. Which one you are using? Next, are you using a EL7 or a EL8? Are you using EL6? Okay, like a EL6. EL6 means Enterprise Linux, like that. So which bit it is, which version of the package is there. Okay, so you have to tell that package name and all. So last one I showed here. So where is that RPM package? Here it is. It is a 64-bit EL. EL means Enterprise Linux. Different packages also there. SRC packages, kind of stuff also available. Okay, this is dot run. Dot run. This is also Linux based packages only. Okay, plugin something. Okay, here it is direct installation part only. Zoomla. Okay, like this is web applications directly. Build a web applications. Okay, this is some files from it. So don't worry. Okay, so like that packages are there. Next, to install this is a usually command I is to install, vh you can able to, it's like a verbose hashing is there. So each package has a combination like a 32-bit 64-bit, which type of operating supported package, that is also we have to look at in a package manner. But when you are installing a package, some packages required dependencies. Okay, some packages packages required to install that packages, okay, required some dependencies. Certain dependencies are required, so if dependencies are there, then only it will install. For example, I download a package, I try to install a package in my Linux machine, so it need a dependencies, I don't know what is the dependencies, so I can't able to install it. So then what I have to do, first I have to download the dependency. For example, I downloaded the dependencies. Now I have to install the dependencies and install the depend. Maybe that dependency required another dependency. Possible, right? If that dependency required another dependency, another supporting dependency has to install that dependency. Okay. Again, it is become uh, chain only. So install, download, install kind of stuff. So a single person cannot handle all this kind of stuff. Okay. So what I do, this is a one big column in a RPM. If in case package don't have any dependencies, it will install automatically. If package has a dependencies, you have to tell. So install all the dependencies also. Okay. So like this. Next, what is this yum? Yum brand. Yum in Linux. This is Yellowdog. Yellowdog updater modifier. We can update and we can modify the installation. That is called a yum. Yum has a features like I can install something. Yum install package name.rpm. I can install it. Okay. So when I install like this, same problem I will get it with the dependencies. If I don't resolve the dependencies, I can't install the application anyway. So sometimes some packages require the dependencies, and the dependency you have to resolve it. If you don't resolve it, so you can't able to install it. So first one. Second, So in yum we have some more facilities are there. So different way of installation is there. One is like a rpm and sh and make installation and all kind of stuff. But here it is different one. Okay, so it's the most easiest thing is using a yum only. So what they will do, so what we can able to do, so we can create a folder. Instead of installing one by one dependency and my packages, we can create a folder, put all all packages, means that related packages, what are the dependency packages, available packages, put everything into the folder. Okay, create a folder, put all packages in that folder. Okay, very simple, right? So we can, everything is there, so you need to search for here and there. So it's simple. So then, and use create repo. So we can use a command called like createrepo. So then it will create a database. What is this? It will create a database file. Okay, it create a database file. The database file contains what are the packages in that folder, stores in database file. That's it. Something happened. Okay, so what are the packages in the folder? What are the packages in the folder? It create a database of that package names in a database file. That's it. Next, now I'll create a file. I'm creating a file with a .repo extension. For example, package pack.repo. For example, I'm creating a file called a pack.repo. So in that one, in the pack.repo, I will tell the location of location of packages, location of database file or packages or folder, location of folder, pack folder. So I will change the names, pack folder. So just for understanding, I'm telling, understand there is a folder which contains all the packages, and I created a database for that folder, and then I told I created a file. The file name is pack.repo. In that pack.repo, I have to give the location of the pack folder. Location of the pack folder. Where is your pack folder is available? Either in a local PC or a remote PC. You have to tell where is the pack folder. So first of all, it contact its database, and we have to load the database. So what you have to do, yum repo list. When you put a yum repo list, so according to your repo file, it contact the location and download the database file. So what it will do, it download this db file, download the db file. Okay, it stores into your PC. Next time when you try to install, so for example, you put a install yum install any package name, um, some package that package name, just a package name. When you tell a package name, you try to search in the database file first, and it is also understand dependencies, and it will install the dependencies also. You download the dependencies, it install the dependencies. So normal user burden will be reduced using a yum installation. So that's my point, yeah, to tell it. But currently we don't have a time to create a repositories and all. So I will show you why I choose why I choose what is this line CentOS. Where is this? Where is this? Yeah, it is increased and fixed somewhere, and I can't able to see. Oh, it is gone now. That is another problem. We keep a magnifier aside, so and it is 75. Okay, so this is clear. See why I chose CentOS. The difference is in by CentOS, when you install a CentOS itself, CentOS give a repository location in the system where these locations are there. So ls slash etc slash yum dot repo, sorry, repo, this is the location. These are all .repo files in this location ls slash etc slash yum dot repos. So you can go to that. Okay, so go to ls slash etc slash yum dot repo dot d. You can find lot of repositories and you can read one of the repositories, so then you will understand. So I'm putting a less. I'm putting less for understanding. Guys, do you remember these comments or not? First one only I'm opening. So if you read it, you will understand this one. Yeah. So, shit. Okay. Okay. If you see this one, you can see there is a thing name of the repository. Mirror list means the link. Mirror list .org base URL gpg check 1 gpg key. What is a gpg check 1 means? Check the key for hashing purpose, like when you download or installation, so we need a encrypt that download kind of stuff. So if you want that encryption part, so you have to use gpg check 1 and you have to specify the key location. The key location is in local system only. The key location is local system. This is the key location slash etc pki. Usually this encrypted key stores here only. Okay, this is the internet location. Somewhere in the internet we are using this one. Okay, so this is also gpg check 1. Some are having a enable 0 type also there. So enable zeros. Enable 0 means this repo part is not working. This is totally repo list. This totally what we are seeing, that is this is entirely a repo list. So here we have a different connections. We have tell base connection, update connection. Okay, the different names and different locations are mentioned here in that one. So like this is a repo list. By default in a CentOS, this is already there. So you need to worry about installing application or downloading kind of stuff. Is not required. So okay. So that is what I'm trying to tell. Of course, we can manage, means we can install the certain packages. We can group install the packages. Also, we can able to do it like a yum group develop development kind of stuff. Yum group install, yum group info, like that. We can able to install it. We can uninstall it. We can modify. We can update also. So yum update, yum install. These are the commands. So I will tell again once again commands here. I can just go to cat read slash etc slash yum.repo.d some CentOS hyphen base dot repo file is there. Just read it, you will understand. So what it is, it will take time to do it. Okay, so in a remote location already database is there, already packages are there. So you need to download each and everything. You don't need to download and create your own repositories. Online only you can able to do it. That's a good thing about your CentOS. But for back practice purpose only, mainly CentOS is the best one. Okay, main practice purposes. In production purpose you can take Red Hat or Oracle Enterprise Linux like that. But in a practice purposes, we don't to worry about the packages. That time better to use this one only. Okay, so no need to sign up and nothing is there. So Red Hat also will give you online repositories, but you have to register with Red Hat. Okay, I will tell yum commands. Yum clean all means when you do repo means this database is the database repository database is stored in your PC. So you have to clean it. So before you go to next one, why? Because of any changes occur. So but storing cache repository data is also good. Faster you are able to get inside. Okay, so sometimes you need to clean it. Next yum repo this already we done this one. That's yum info. So what is the package you want to get it? Next is yum install. What package you want to install it? Next yum you want to remove, then you can also remove the package if you don't want it. Next yum update. You want to whole update means yum update. If you want to update only a particular package, yum update certain package only. Okay, like that. Okay, yum update, yum removal, yum remove, install, update, yum info. There are so many yum commands are there. So this is the most useful commands. You can use it in. Okay. Here I try to give what is the command for check IP address in Linux? To check the IP address in Linux.
IP address.
IP.
IPADDR.
Okay. So this is the command to check the IP address. Actually, in a Windows we have a command, right? Ifconfig command. Same like this only. If command is there. If config. Okay. If config is the one of the command. Okay. It is not working. That's why I told IP space IP ADDR based on a back one. And next is a netstart command is there. Netstart is also not working here. Space, no space. Okay, so anyway, that is also not working. So like that. So depends upon certain packages installed in your PC. So based on that, it works. Like a network manager. Like you want to see the connection in your the GI mode. So then you can also see it. So yum install something related to network. I put a network star. So I will see. Uh, Anything is related to your network. So network manager TUI term Wi-Fi. Okay, so these are all dependencies are resolving. Network manager applet, network manager updating dependencies. Actually this is not mine, it is take so much of thing. Okay, nothing to do. It should be default but it is not. I didn't find any installation match for a if config. Okay, so net tools. Okay, there is a thing called a net tools. Okay, so I will install net tools. available packages net tools are not yet installed in this one, so I will install yum install net hyphen tools. I'm giving hyphen y, so I don't need to wait for pressing y again. So let it finishing installation going on completed. Now it is working. See, it is working. Where is this output? Here it is. See it. Okay. If config is working. So now you are learning two commands. IP space addr. This is also show IP address. Next, if config also show IP address. This is a netstat command. Okay, so it will tell you the connection things. Netstat command. If you need help, you can put a help also. So socket connections, network troubleshooting, routing things also it will show. Okay, if config. Okay. So what I installed? Net hyphen tools I installed. So first I check if config not working. Net okay, if not working. So what I done? Yum install net tools. So whenever you install something, automatically let's start working. Okay. Next. So this is it. This is how you deal with the yum repositories and all. One more point I will tell and close. Um, so what is that? In a yum, actually I told yum update kind of stuff. That command I will tell guys. If possible, you can try also. Whenever you do next time installation and all, after installation, you want to do some specific package installation like web application module or exam or kind of stuff, lamp servers and all. So you can do it. Okay. So first we have to update it. After update, you have to restart it to do something. Like you can see like ampersand reboot. Reboot for rebooting basis. Yum update ampersand reboot. So automatically it will reboot the PC. I find way you can put front or back also no problem. Front means here or here also you can put it hyphen by. Okay, and it is reboot. Otherwise, tonight you want to update and close, then put a power off. So automatically it will update PC and it will power off. Okay, like this. Normal I use reboot. If you want to update and okay, power off. Also you can put it like this. So this is also you can able to do it. Um, yeah, I want to download something for me. So there is a one beautiful link is there. Because we are using a CentOS, you need to download that one. Okay, that is actually extra packages. Already existing packages are there. You want extra packages. EPEL. Okay, this is a EPEL. It is EPL means extra package for enterprise Linux. It is a project is so Fedora project. Fedora project is also same use only. So packages mainly for that one. Okay, extra packages for enterprise Linux. Extra packages for here it is. Here it is. Extra packages for enterprise Linux. The name is EPL-release. EPL-release it is. If you install it, so you can download lot of things compared to other things. So I'm going to install yum install epel dot sorry hyphen release. Okay, it is a very small package only, very small package. Why? It is installed 15k completed, but actually we install a package, nothing will happen. We are install a package, nothing will happen. Okay, so what will happen, I will show you. Yum.repo. So this EPL is added here. Can you see? EPL testing.repo, EPL.repo package is added. So this is another Fedora project related space, that link also connected to here. So when you do yum cleaner, and it will clean the database. Next repo list. Now it's try to connect with EPL also. It will download that meta links or databases to our PCs. Now earlier it is a 4 by 4 type. Now it is going on. EPL database is also um, going to come here. So you can install a lot of things. So this is a one of the best practice. So install Linux and all. When you want to do with all packages, you can do it. Okay, like this. This is it. This is a